I just bought these MSD spark plugs for a Chevy LS engine. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a little shiny spot on it, on the tip there. Well, anyways, I was grabbing it and a little piece of metal flaked off from the top, and also there was a bit of metal shavings on the threads. They were small, but you could see them on my finger. Let me open up another spark plug here. See if there's any metal on this. You guys see there's nothing on my finger right now. Focus, or that actually might be a small piece from the other spark plug. Now let me. You guys saw that? There's really small shavings from the tip of the spark plug on my finger now. So we got anything on the threads? Yeah, we got a little bit on the threads too. See, I'm shining. I don't know if that's big enough to do any engine damage, but there is a couple really small metal shavings. I don't think that's very good for the engine.